In previous video, I have discussed about and or, and in this video, I am discussing about not operator. For this, first I will create a bool is raining. For this, I will give a condition if is raining. Not if I put a not, then it means there is no raining. It means this bool is false. Then print if is raining is false, then this line will execute. So we will run this program and see what happens. If there is no raining, this bool is false, then this line is executing. But if bool is true, if we take it, it means this bool is true, and so this line will not execute. And again it false, then this line will execute. So this was about that. We will meet in the next video.